This is a quick unboxing for a Philips Hue dimmer switch, and it's to be used with a Philips Hue lighting setup, and you can use this instead of your smart voice control or the Philips Hue app, which you would use in association with this product. So let's jump right in. So of course on the front here you've got a Philips branding and an exposed window which basically exposes the product, and of course on the inside it's got plastic packaging, so you're not actually interacting with the product when it's on the shelf. On the side you've got information about the product, of course, and further information on the back. On the top you've also got the Philips brand at the front here. Let's get this opened up. Philips products are always really well packaged, so let's get rid of the cardboard outer here. Now underneath the plastic packaging you have two instruction manuals. Now these I won't open up right now, but they are in essence multi-language, one-page documents with the instructions about the product on them. So let's open this up and get rid of the inner packaging. And this is in essence the actual product itself. You've got the bracket, which is the I'll call the base at the moment, and then you've got the main switch. Now Philips include this little tab on their packaging, so when you pull that out, of course, that will allow you to use the switch, but it also helps you to remove the switch from the actual base unit, just in case you aren't aware that you can actually remove it from there. Now the base unit itself, on the back you can attach it in a couple of ways. You can see the two magnets here, but when you're attaching it to the wall itself you can attach it in two ways. You can either use the adhesive strips here, or you can screw, you can take these two pieces apart and you can screw this part into the wall or onto a surface. So when it is actually resting in position and you're not using the remote or dimmer switch, you can literally pop it back on the wall.